Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this 105 watt USB-C charger for MacBook Pro's 16-inch, 15-inch, 14-inch, 13-inch, as well as MacBook Air 13-inch, iPad Pro, and all other USB-C devices. Alright, so right here we have this 105 watt USB-C high power fast charger. You can charge a 16-inch MacBook Pro 100% in just an hour and 40 minutes. So in the back specs it has overcharging protection, discharge protection, overpower protection. It has other protection so this doesn't overcharge your device. So now let's jump into the box, and inside this box you will find the actual charger itself, a user manual. So this has comprehensive safety protection, protect your device by charging. So safety charging, short circuit protection, over voltage protection, FCC approved, over temperature protection, over circuit protection, high speed sync, quick data transfers. So this can be used for MacBooks, smartphones, switches, iPads, watch, laptops, and cameras. This is convenient and practical. Enough length for easy use in any place. The 105 watt USB-C charger power adapter is the fastest output optimal amount of power supplied to your device to ensure a safe and fast charging. Other ones have a 96 watt, 90, 87, 67, 65, depending on your device. It can safely switch to match any device that uses a USB Type-C connector, auto sense voltage. It does have a 6.6 foot USB charging wire cable that lets you work and play at the same time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect this to my tablet. So unlike the other ones used to use the USB, this one actually uses a Type-C on both ends. So now I'm going to use my iPad Pro and connect that one. This one charged my iPad. I think it was at a 50% and went to 100% in about 10 to 15 minutes. So right now my iPad is at 82. It is so convenient. I love the fact that it does come with 6 feet of cord. This is great for any MacBook Pros 16 inches, 15 inches, 14 inches, 13 inches, MacBook Air Retinas, MacBook Retina 12-inch early 2017. So this does have a lot of specs that this works with. Any device that uses a Type-C charging port, this will actually work well with it. I love the fact that it supercharges the iPad. It will work also with the new 2022 MacBook Pros. The charging time is 1 hour and 40 minutes from complete 0 to 100%. So if you're looking for a charger cable that is good for your MacBook Pros, MacBook Airs, iPads, or any devices that supercharges your device, I'd say go ahead and check this one out.